Why buying the bottom, selling the top zone, is better than buying the absolute bottom, selling the absolute top. In crypto trading and investing, everyone wants to buy the absolute bottom and sell the absolute top, meaning they aim to catch the lowest price and sell at the highest peak to maximize profits. However, in reality, this is almost impossible. Instead, the smarter and more practical strategy is buying the bottom zone and selling the top zone. 1. Is buying the bottom, selling the top, just an illusion? Most investors believe they can catch the exact bottom and sell at the perfect top, but in reality, this strategy has many flaws. Crossmark. No one can predict the market with 100% accuracy. The true bottom is only confirmed after the price has bounced significantly. If you buy too early, the price may drop even further, catching a falling knife. The absolute top is only confirmed after the price has started to fall. If you sell too early, you might miss out on potential gains. Crossmark. The market can trick you. Fakeouts. Sometimes, the price drops sharply, making it look like the bottom, but then it continues to crash. FOMO. Fear of missing out. When the price surges, people assume it will keep going up, but in reality, it's near the peak. Crossmark. Emotions lead to poor decisions. At the bottom, fear stops you from buying. At the top, greed prevents you from selling. 2. The smarter strategy. Buying the bottom zone, selling the top zone, instead of trying to catch the exact bottom and top. A better approach is to buy when the price is low and sell when it's high without aiming for the absolute extremes. For example, checkmark. Buy when the price has corrected significantly and is forming a strong support zone, instead of trying to buy the exact lowest point. Checkmark. Sell when the price has rallied strongly and is reaching major resistance zones, instead of holding for an unrealistic peak. Why this strategy works better? Avoids the risk of catching a falling knife. You don't need to buy at the lowest point, just at a good entry. Maximizes realistic profits. You sell before the market reverses instead of chasing an unreachable top. Reduces emotional pressure. You don't stress over hitting the exact targets, making trading easier. FIRE. It's better to buy low and sell high than to try buying the lowest and selling the highest. Some text goes here. 3. Why are people so greedy? Greed is a natural human instinct, especially in crypto, where profits can multiply 10x or even 100x. Several psychological factors drive people to make greedy decisions. FIRE. 1. FOMO. Fear of missing out. When prices rise quickly, everyone thinks it will go even higher. Seeing others make fast money makes you feel like you'll miss out. You believe if you don't buy now, you'll lose a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. FIRE. 2. Never enough mentality. Greed. When you have profits, you want even more and refuse to sell. You assume the price will keep going up forever, leading to missed exits. FIRE. 3. Unrealistic expectations. Many traders aim for unrealistic profit targets, expecting 100x gains on every trade. Following influencers or hype without a solid plan often leads to bad decisions. FIRE. 4. Emotions take over. When the price rises, excitement clouds your judgment, and you refuse to sell. When the price drops, fear causes panic selling, leading to losses. As a result, you end up buying the top and selling the bottom, exactly what you wanted to avoid. Some text goes here. 4. How to control greed. Define realistic profit targets. For example, sell a portion at 50% to 100% gains instead of waiting for a 10x. Bullseye. Set a profit-taking plan in advance. Take profits in stages. Sell 30% to 50% when the price reaches a strong resistance zone, then hold the rest for potential higher gains. Bullseye. Avoid FOMO. Buying at the top. If a coin has already surged 300% to 500%, don't chase it. Wait for a correction or find a better opportunity. Bullseye. Stick to your strategy. If you plan to buy in a low zone and sell in a high zone, execute it without letting emotions interfere. Bullseye. Practice patience. If you miss one opportunity, don't worry, there will always be new chances in the market. 5. Conclusion. Trade smart, don't let greed control you. Crossmark. Buying the bottom, selling the top, is nearly impossible. No one can predict the market perfectly. Checkmark. Buying the bottom zone, selling the top zone, is a much smarter approach, allowing you to maximize profits without needing perfect timing. FIRE control your greed, set clear plans, and follow your strategy with discipline to succeed in crypto investing. Rocket.